welcome back to Toys of Fun to Play. Today we have
Jaden, Tiffany, and Brenna.
okay. So today we have Ryan's World Pocket Watch. So this is Ryan's World Sticky Mosaics. Yeah, so wait. So there are 4 different designs. So this is Mo.
And
Buzz. So it has 1,752 pieces.
Green with Shelton, blue with Titan, blue with Mo. No, it's purple. Purple with Mo, and Gus.
So here it says Ryan's World Sticky Mosaics. So you got the numbers. Some of them have glitter.
I don't like number.
So it includes 4 front projects, 1,444 sticky tiles, 3 hanging tags, and 1 stand. So this is everything that includes, yeah. Some of them have glitter. You know, the number 1 is red. So you take a little tile. One, and you put it all over the number, like this. So you gotta cover all of it, okay? So remember, 1 is red, 2 is yellow. So if you have number 2 in your thing, you use yellow. 3 is orange, 4 is green, 5 is white, and 6 is black. Who has pink? So Brianna chose red Titan.
Yeah.
Tiffany chose Mo, and Jaden chose
Sheldon.
So I'm gonna be doing Gus. So I'm gonna do Gus.
You winner.
So start, okay?
Yes, I did it.
Yeah, like that. Just like that.
Oh. Okay, wait, what's this?
So that's red. That's 1.
Okay.
So here, Brianna, choose 1 and do it on the squares. Because you got circles. Circles is this one, and then you have the squares, which is that one. Okay? Yeah, like that. Okay, so far this is what Jaden has.
Yeah.
Then you have
That's the
Tiffany's.
winner.
Yeah,
That's the
let
winner.
me see. No, let me see yours. So far this is what Brianna has. And this is what I have done. I have Gus. So I done with the squares, green. Now I'm doing the glitter ones. Glitter ones,
I need the orange.
green and black.
I need orange one.
So I need color red and yellow
I have red.
and glitter red.
Mommy, what's
And so
that?
far I just need to finish
What
Gus, which is gonna be yellow glitter.
I want yellow.
So Jaden finished with all his red
Yeah.
squares. And then Tiffany's almost done with her hat. And she did the nails and
I need
of
It's
Mo.
like the.
And then this is what Brianna has so far.
I need the green.
So after I'm done, I'm gonna try to help Brianna if she wants me to help.
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
I need help for the.
No?
the
You want me to help you?
For the
orange?
Orange.
Okay. With mine, this is Gus.
No, this
It's not really good. So now you have Jaden, who's doing yellow. Tiffany is doing the red glitter. And now Brianna wants me to help her finish hers. So she's gonna be doing the hair and I'll do the rest. So Jaden finished already. Let me see. So what's his name?
Shelton.
Oh, so he finished Shelton.
Yeah.
So this is what Tiffany has so far. She's almost done. She just needs orange and black.
And Brianna not done.
And this is what Brianna and me have done so far.
Yeah, I'm done. So
Right now she's over there. I don't know what she's doing. This is what Tiffany has so far. I mean, helping her with the hair, which I'm done.
I have Brianna
And Jaden is helping Brianna with green Titan.
Yeah, green titan. No.
Okay, red Titan.
I by myself.
Yeah, he did his by himself. Now he's helping Brianna.
Mommy,
I'm helping
I'm by
Tiffany.
myself. Because I'm by myself.
So he just finished the shirts and the boots.
Hey, look.
He has to finish some of Brianna's red glitter, and Tiffany has to finish some of the orange glitter. Let's see who finished first.
I want to finish Brianna. She's my best friend. Because she's angry. I'm done. Okay, that one. What the?
Put it back, Brianna.
No, that's a diamond. And that one. Wait, this is a race?
Yes, it is.
No, Mommy, you're a liar. You're a liar, Mommy. I got
Tiffany
my
needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 more. Jaden needs 3, 6, 9.
Oh,
Dun, 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 dun.
no.
And the baby woke up. Is he sleeping, Mommy? You gotta do Jaden.
What am I going to do? No one called me back. You want to call me back?
Okay, Tiffany has 6 more. 5. Jaden has 3 more. You sure you're done?
Yep.
You double check.
1, 2, 3, go. I won it.
Okay, so he has all of them.
Which one was your favorite one, Tiffany? Yours, Jaden. Yours, Brianna.
And
Yours.
mommy.
And mine was mine.
Yes, I like mommy.
So Tiffany also finished.
So Tiffany lost, so I won.
So this is Tiffany's. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And comment down below who you think had the best one. Was it Tiffany with Mo, Jaden with Shelton, Brianna with Titan, or me with Gus? Comment down who's your favorite character from Ryan's
Yeah.
world.
Yeah.
So I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.